What does the caret operator do? I ran across the caret operator in Python today and trying it out, I got the following output. It seems to be based on 8, so I'm guessing some sort of byte operation? I can't seem to find much about this searching sites other than it behaves oddly for floats. Does anybody have a link to what this operator does, or can you explain it here?
It's a bitwise XOR, exclusive OR. It evaluates to true if and only if its arguments differ. One is true, the other is false. To demonstrate. To explain one of your own examples. Think about it this way.
It invokes the _XOR_ or _sure_ method of the object as needed, which for integer types does a bitwise exclusive OR.
It's a bit-by-bit exclusive OR. Binary bitwise operators are documented in Chapter 5 of the Python language reference.
Generally speaking, the symbol is an infix version of the _XOR_ or _SUR_ methods. Whatever data types are placed to the right and left of the symbol must implement this function in a compatible way. For integers, it is the common XOR operation, but for example there is not a built-in definition of the function for type float with type int. One neat thing about Python is that you can override this behavior in a class of your own. For example, in some languages the symbol means exponentiation. You could do that this way, just as one example. Then something like this will work, and now, for instances of foo only, the symbol will mean exponentiation,